If you're ready to reduce manual labor and increase packaging efficiency, Dartronics Incorporated can build the right end-of-line system for your facility. Visit dartronics.com to get started. It starts with automatic case erecting, consistent, repeatable, and built for production pace. Cases are formed square, ready for downstream flow, and staged for efficient loading and handling. From there, cases move through the line with controlled conveying and smart accumulation, keeping product moving without creating bottlenecks. Next, case sealing. Reliable closure at speed helps protect product integrity and maintain clean, uniform outbound shipments. For operations handling trays and crates, SOCO System modular handling keeps changeovers simple and movement predictable, supporting different pack styles without re-engineering the line. Then the system transitions to palletizing. Robotic palletizing builds consistent loads, improves safety, and reduces manual labor, especially in repetitive, high-throughput shifts. Once palletized, loads move into pallet securing, stretch wrapping and stabilization that helps reduce shifting, damage, and shipping issues. The advantage is integration. One system, one platform, fewer handoffs. That means simpler engineering, fewer vendor delays, and a packaging line that's easier to support long-term. And because SOCO System is modular, you can expand over time, add modules, relocate equipment, or increase automation as production grows. End-of-line packaging shouldn't be a patchwork of vendors and workarounds. With Dartronics Incorporated and SOCO System, you get a complete, integrated packaging system, from case erecting to pallet securing.